Hello, I'm Hedda. At 3C, we're specialists in performance management, and I'm delighted to share with you how we've brought one of our most powerful flagship programs, It's My Conversation, to life in a virtual world, complete with live forum theatre. Effective performance conversations have always been important, and now more than ever, it's vital to ensure that colleagues have the confidence to hold the conversations they need and want. Right now, performance conversations need to help your colleagues clarify what's expected of them, have the chance to talk about things that are stressing them and troubling them, and stay engaged and motivated.
He gets the right shows in.
Using a bespoke scenario based on your desired learning outcomes and your performance management process, It's My Conversation has long been recognised as a brilliant way to help people see what's happening.
About how he is in his personal life.
How his
And
days
also
can go.
don't look at your paper all the time as well. Maybe keep a bit more eye contact.
Okay.
And how he feels he's getting on.
How he thinks it's all going for him as well.
Your people will be working with experienced actors, trying out different approaches and seeing for themselves the impact of different behaviours on the conversation. For many of them, this leads to light bulb moments that challenge their thinking and open up new possibilities. Overall, it makes for a learning experience that's polished, powerful, tailored to you, and fun. If you'd like to know more about It's My Conversation and Forum Theatre Live, then contact me, Hedda Bird, on 01491 411 544, or drop us an email, info@3cperform.co.uk. We look forward to talking to you.